Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. As you already know that inter second year public administration paper 2 exam is on 22nd March, but I'm uploading a public exam question paper right now. Have a look students.